Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this pop out from hole effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. Is it really help to create content for you? Thanks, and now let's get started. So I'm just closing this page and open the new Canva video canvas. So I just changing the background to black and going to the elements. I need shapes. First I need the square. I just moving to here like this width, length, more or less, a bit up. So scrolling down and need, there is a trapezoid down. I just moving down and just zooming a bit to have a proper size and just moving just a little bit down of this rectangle to cover this small hole. But now I have to play a bit with the trapezoid, just moving to the side, and the next side I just zooming a bit like this, or not zooming but extend the size and create this nice shape. And now I just need a shadow. Normally I'm just using this first shadow, what I find. Oops, I don't want to do this. I would have to move down, increase the size again a bit, and moving to here, like this. Position center, this one also, and this one also have to be in the center. Yeah, now like this. This looks good. So next one, we need also a hole. Going to the graphics, using this one. Just moving down a bit. Just reduce the size, like here. It's good enough now. And now the next step is to download it. Download not to MP4 as a PNG with the highest possible size. It means it's the best quality, and just click on download. It's already downloaded, so I just remove everything from the Canva, upload the image just to large to fit the whole page. And now I need to duplicate and put into the same position. This zooming time to time in the Canva is killing me. So yes, a bit up, like to here. So I just crop the image, what was in the top, till the half of the hole. And now I just need an element. I will use the same perfume bottle. Okay, I just removing the background, why not? And reducing the size to make us realistic. I mean, this has to be fit in the hole. Yes, it's fit. Moving below the hole like this, and going to the position, layers, and this small cropped layer I'm moving to the top. And now the bottle is invisible because it's hide it by this small crop portion of the image. And now just duplicating the page, go into the page number 2, position. I just grab the bottle, moving up, like to here, and hovering the mouse between the two pages at transition. We are using our favorite match and move, and 1.2 seconds, for example, and it's popping up or popping down. So if we can do this, like just to duplicate the page again, and moving to the last position also. This one is not moved, now it's moved. And going back to the transitions and apply between all pages. So now I would like to see what we done. So the bottle is just popping up, popping out, and moving back, because that was what was we asked. So that's a pretty easy, pretty nice, small video transition trick, and also a small trick with the layers. And I really like these small things in a Canva. But as you can see, it really works well, because it really looks like the bottle is coming from the hole. And if the speed is fast enough, that's really not visible. That's just coming from the half. Even at 1.2 seconds, maybe if I just move it to 1 second, or it might be even faster, 0.8 seconds. That's might be even more, the transition is that's faster, then that's even more invisible. That's a small trick. This one what I really like in the Canva, the small things. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you struggling anything in the Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible. If needed, I will create a tutorial video about it. Please check also my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description, where you can find lots of beautiful Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image or text-to-video prompts for video or image generation for different kind of AI applications. So if you're also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned already, you can find a link in the description. In the description, you can also find a link of my TikTok and Instagram page, where you can find lots of short tutorials about Canva. So please feel free to check also them. As I mentioned already, you can find them also in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.